Hi, this is János, it's Real World Audio, and I'm going to talk about the hardest thing in audio. And the hardest thing is not to come up with a very best loudspeaker project. It's not to build your own drivers, which are just absolutely top-notch. It's not to make the perfect tone arm, whether it's made from wood or whether it's cut on a lathe. It's none of these, because yes, you could go there, you could pick any of these and make it your life's goal and purpose, or just dedicate a year or 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 of your life, because you need to dedicate at least that much to create an object of excellence that you are striving for. But then there comes the trouble, is that you have sacrificed all your effort and all your time on just following up a single lead. But to have a good stereo system, to have a balanced sounding stereo system, you need the entirety of your chain to be on point. So that's what my channel, what Real World Audio is about, to bring to you my view on audio gear, on how to balance things out. And when you look at the discussions, yes, you will see a lot of comments and a lot of very awesome discussions about how we could improve on any of the components. But and that's true, and that's good. And when you have the chance, just do it. That's awesome. But what is even more important is that you find the balance between all the components, and you also find the balance to listen to your audio system. Because if you are not having joy in listening to it, it's really not doing its job, and is just catering to OCD, and something is not right there. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think, and hopefully maybe I should do these short little videos more often when I talk about why I do things, and maybe these little snippets will help you on your journey on how to organize your search for your system that you want to put together for yourself. And thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe, and you can send electronic coffee on my way. For those of you who don't know, first I didn't know what electronic coffee is. I thought it's like, just send coffee in email or whatnot, or just post coffee to the guy. What's he talking about? And then it turns out that this electronic coffee is something like Patreon, but much simpler. You don't have to sign up for that. You just click on the Buy Me a Coffee link in the video description, and it will take you to my page, and there you can donate a little bit, as low as $2 if you want to, or if you want more, and that will go and help me a great deal to continue this channel and bring you new ideas. Have an awesome day, and thank you for all of you who have supported me very generously, and it's been tremendously helpful, and it's been a very big factor of why I'm still doing these videos, because I feel that I'm not just talking to a blank screen, but what I'm doing is really helpful to you, because when you donate on Buy Me a Coffee, that's a feedback from you that what I'm sharing is helpful, and that means a lot to me. So thank you. Bye bye.